Welcome back, guys. So we are excited to be back, especially with this new grill that I just got. A little story about how this all went down. I've been looking at the Pit Bosses for the last 2 years. Since last year around March, when Pit Boss announced the new Onyx edition, the Savannah, that's the one that I wanted. I've been keeping my eye on that one for a very long time. About a week before I was gonna go get it, I figured I'd look around to see what other grills Pit Boss had. Then I saw this Pro Series at Lowe's. Now this one had more bells and whistles than the Savannah did, and I was in love with this one. I saw this Pro Series, I went to go see it, and I'm like, wow, this is the one I want. And it's funny because the whole of all last year, my eyes were set on that Onyx edition of the Savannah one. But at the very last moment, I saw this one for $100 more. The Savannah is only $5.99. This one is $6.99. So for that extra $100, you get a little bit more than the Savannah did. And I'd rather go ahead and spend that extra $100. Now that being said, let's go ahead and get into this. I already set it up. You guys seen many videos of how to set up a grill. It's the same thing. I'm gonna show you how you do the initial start. And this one we're gonna do something different that I've never done, is we're gonna season it. So first things first, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Now once it's on, before you put any pellets, one thing you have to do is go ahead and check that auger. Make sure it's turning. If you can see that it's turning, then you know everything's working fine. Once you see that everything's turning, everything's working, go ahead and turn off the grill. Unplug, I just unplugged it. Then I fill up the hopper with the pellets. I went ahead and add the apple blend. Then let's go ahead and plug it back in, and let's go ahead and turn it on. So now what you want to do is, now you're waiting to hear those pellets fall into the burn pot. Once you hear them fall, everything's working good. And then once you're ready, you're gonna turn up the grill to 450 degrees. Once it's at 450 degrees, you're gonna leave it like that for 45 minutes. Once it's been 45 minutes, go ahead and shut her down. Once it's off and it's cooled down a little bit, now it's time to add our seasoning process for the grill. Now we have Pam non-stick spray. Now I've been trying to get the grilling one, but I didn't have it anywhere near here, and I had to order it, and it had to come from Florida. So I was like, this is the same thing, it works the same. So I just used the original regular Pam. So we're gonna go ahead and spray the heat deflector here, all nice, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the sides. Once we do all that, we're gonna go ahead and put our grates back in, and then do those two. Once we're done with that, we're gonna close it up. We're gonna turn our Pit Boss on and set it to 400 degrees, and we're gonna leave it like that for 20 minutes. All right, when it's 20 minutes is done, you are officially done. You can cook something, or like what I did, I just turned it off and I waited for the next day, and I did some ribs. The video will be out of that. So let me know what you guys think about this grill. Let me know if you have a Pit Boss and what kind of Pit Boss do you have, or which one do you want to get. I'm also going to be making a video on all the bells and whistles that this grill has to offer. So if you guys are thinking about it, you guys will see it and make your own decision. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll go see you guys next time.